Para po kay Sir, sa nag-request po ng Wonderful Tonight, si Sir Roberto de la Cruz. Ayan, hello po. Ayan. Ayan, don't forget to share our live, Never End Band, and of course, subscribe po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, Never End Band po sa YouTube channel. Ayan. Ayan, game masen, ayan. Never End Band. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on a makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Alright. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all. It's just you don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head up. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the lights, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Ayan. Thank you po sa nag-request ng Wonderful Tonight. Ayan, thank you po sa nag-request ng Wonderful Tonight. Ayan, shoutout po sa ating mga viewers. Good evening.